You can expect a lot from the 2017 Ford F-250. With just over 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the competition. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, a trailer hitch, and more. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.